setting up full plates, when you open and close the deflectors, a lot of times it's best to slide the full plan up, lock it in. Now if you're opening up the number 3 plate, take the number 1, bring it up, lock it in. Now you can raise the number 3 plate up, lock it. Now if you're opening the number 3, you can flip the deflector open. That is the open position. And then you have to lock it. Then you have to flip these blocks around on the side, as so that this symbol means that the full plate is open. When you see this, that is the deflector. It looks like the plate is closed. So you would do that on both sides of the full plates. Then you can lower the number 3 plate back down into the machine. And then if the number 1 plate is open, but both plates open and close the same, set it down, and the upper plates are now ready to fold paper. So you now have the number 1 open, the number 3 open. Now the number 2 is a little different fold plate. It's a combi fold plate. So your fold plate pan stop is actually the deflector. As you can see here, this is your pan stop, but it also works as a deflector when it's all the way up and closed. So when you want to open this plate, all you have to do is set it to whatever dimension, let's say 10 inches. 10 inches on the scale equals about 256 millimeters on the thimble side or this dial. Now when you close this plate, all you have to do is close it all the way up. Now until it stops, then lock it in. Now if you look on the dial indicator for millimeters, it will say about 6. It will not go to 0. If it went to 0, the pan stop would be rubbing the full plate.